Hi everyone, welcome back to Paisa Bolta. As you notice, Anand is not in studio today. He's still on his way back from Dubai today. So me and Paisa have jumped in to fill the spot. I hope you find this video interesting and informative as always. Please do bear with us. We do not know Hindi, but we try our best. So Paisa, what have you brought for us today?
Sir, today I have come up with notes of HDFC merging process, sir. Now the HDFC merged to push Reliance and TCS through weightage, sir. As of Reliance market capitalization is 17.3 trillion, sir. And HDFC Bank market capitalization is 14.7 trillion. And TCS is 12.1 trillion.
This is before merger, huh?
After the merging process, the market capitalization is like this, sir. The numbers
you said.
Yeah, sir. But in terms of weightage, we see HDFC is 14.2.
What is weightage?
So the shares that float in market, that is the weightage of the weightage share. Sir, that is the weightage, sir. That is known as
the number
weightage.
of shares in the market.
That is floating through the market.
According to you.
Yeah, sir.
So what happened to the weightage?
Sir, now if you see the weightage of HDFC went higher, sir.
Why?
To 14.2 after the merging process.
What happened?
Before the merging
what
process,
made it go up?
the number of shares which float increased, sir.
Why?
Because of the merging. Two shares becomes...
Two companies.
Two companies become into one.
Have merged into one.
One.
Right. So?
That's why the weightage increased, sir.
Okay.
So
what problem has come? What has this done to Reliance and TCS because of HDFC weightage going up? The beginning of the video you said HDFC's merger has done something to Reliance and TCS.
Yes, sir.
So what happened to Reliance and TCS because of HDFC merger?
Sir, in HDFC, the 100% of the share is in float, free float, sir.
What is free float?
So free float is something that belongs to public FII and DIA, sir.
Very good. Then?
Yes, the more...
So, because of HDFC merging, what is the roll-on effect on Reliance and TCS? Now, this whole thing I'm talking in respect to mutual funds, right?
Yeah, sir. So thank you, sir. That's my next point, sir.
So, what happens in mutual funds?
Yeah.
The problem is for mutual funds. Correct. So, there's two banks, this bank and this loan company have merged together, pushing up the weightage. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
So, what problem has this given to mutual funds? Correct?
Yeah, sir.
This roll-on effect is the problem is for the mutual funds, nobody else.
Yeah, sir. The question of mine is, sir, every time you say to us is to invest in passive funds. There are two funds called active and passive.
Correct.
There is one rule that active fund managers can invest on stock that have only 10% of weightage.
So they cannot invest in HDFC.
Yeah, sir. HDFC is now at 14.
So what was the weightage before the merger?
Before the merger, HDFC has 6.6.
Very good.
Percent and HDFC Bank has 8.8%, sir.
Very good. They were below 10.
Yeah, sir.
Now post-merger,
the
active fund managers cannot hold on to HDFC anymore.
Sir. They will sell it and invest it on another stock, sir. Sir, next question is, sir.
Active fund managers now will have to sell HDFC because the weightage is too high, and they'll have to reinvest it in companies which their weightages are low.
Yes.
What will this will create is it'll create a sudden influx of HDFC Bank shares in the market, pressurizing the share price to go down. It is a buying opportunity according to Keshav on HDFC Bank.
According to Keshav.
You're the one who said it, so I'm just repeating it.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. True.
Yeah. People, remember, Keshav is not a fund manager. He's not a SEBI authorized advisor. He's just a layman. So anyway, so remember that we are not SEBI registered. We are not advisors. This is just Keshav's interpretation of the news he's understood.
Yeah.
But because of the merger, it has pushed HDFC out of active fund managers' portfolios. So most of it is going to be available in the market to buy if you're a retail investor. And if you're an investor who doesn't know anything like me and Keshav and you're just looking to invest, please do not put in active funds. Please only invest in passive funds. This is Keshav's advice.
Yes, but the question is, HDFC is founded by HD Parekh, and he gave it to Deepak Parekh, his brother's son. So he is the chairman of the
Where's the question?
HDFC, sir. Coming to the question only, sir. Now, Deepak Parekh also came down from the position of chairman after the merging process. So, what will happen after that, sir? Because the
Whatever the company board,
no,
whatever
sir.
the company board decides will happen.
No, sir. All the way the company grows because of the founders.
No, HDFC will be fine.
HDFC will be fine.
So Kesav concludes
Yeah.
that HDFC a buy if you're a retail investor. If you're looking at to invest in mutual funds, to stay passive and not go to active funds, because the HDFC merger kind of explains what happens in active funds. And as far as the leadership in HDFC is concerned, Kesav says not to worry, the bank is fine. Leadership change is always good for any
Better cause.
organization. Brings fresh ideas, fresh views. So something to look forward to.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Paisa Bolta with Kesav today. It has been entertaining to say the least. I hope you found some informative in this video. And Anand will be back in the studio tomorrow to record another version of this channel for you guys.
Yes.
Anand will be in the studio tomorrow to record another video for you guys. Thank you again for joining us in Paisa Bolta.
Welcome back to Be Rich. I am in Tokyo on work on the 5th of August 2023. I have a lot of following in Japan, Tokyo. Those who want to meet me in Tokyo on 5th August, kindly drop me an email on the address given below or contact us on WhatsApp there. My team would get in touch with you and facilitate the meeting. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich.